White rabbit! White rabbit! I wonder which way I ought to go. Curiouser and curiouser. White rabbit! White rabbit! Well, where have I gone? That journey did make me a little bit peckish. Don't mind if I do. 3 inches is such a wretched height. White rabbit! White rabbit! Ah, much better. I wonder which way that white rabbit went. White rabbit! White rabbit! White rabbit! Oh, an apple tree. Just like the one my Nana has.
I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late.
Mm.
I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late.
Curiouser and curiouser.
Alice thinks to herself. Shall we go inside? Welcome to 2031 Jose Avenue, right in central Santa Cruz.
Wow, this quintessential Santa Cruz home on this flat, sunny garden lot is more than a dream come true. Complete with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, this single-level, light-filled home has retro, mid-century, modern touches throughout.
This Garden of Eden paradise is the perfect Alice in Wonderland set for dreaming, creating, and enjoying the beautiful outdoors. With a flat, usable lot that measures 15,507 square feet, dazzled with native plants, fruit trees, vibrant flowers, and ornamentals, this property is also a designated nature preserve. It is the perfect setting to let your imagination run wild.
Alice, wake up! Wake up! I just had the most curious dream. White rabbit? Welcome to 2031 Jose Avenue, right in the heart of Santa Cruz. Welcome home. Rabbit! Oh, my shoe!
Did you step on shit?
Well, no, I just lost my shoe. Let me try that again. White rabbit!
I'm late. I'm late for a very important date.
Where are you going, White rabbit?
No time to talk. No time to
Say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
say hello, goodbye. I'm late. I'm late. I'm late. You're quite peckish.
Where did you put the keys? What are you doing? Do you need this? It's so good.
Me? Oh, you're the rabbit having some apples.
Okay, ready? Woo! Woo! Because I just like flew over here.
Oh, okay.
Do you want me to just do it?
No, I'm gonna do it. I'll get it. You're pretty good at this job. You fucking nailed it, man. Yeah. That was sick. That was fucking rad. Oh, wow. How did you do that? It's taking me forever.